Hello YouTube, Assassinated Boy here. As I said in the last video, I would, do a video on decimals for you. So, as I said, I'm gonna use the calculator so you really understand decimals. God, I have got straight. So, you see that calculator there. So if you had 6 there, you just want a full stop there, then a 6. So 6.6. So it's, see there, and then you can just put a plus sign, then 6.6, which is 12.12. Oh, 13.2 I mean, sorry. So, really, decimals is kind of hard to understand a bit. Not that hard, but a little bit hard to understand. So, not really that hard to understand, but it's a little hard for young people. So, I don't even have a piano. So, 6.6, right. So decimals is basically a number of, wait, what? I need a pen. I need a pen. I need a pen. Hold on, people, let me just find a pen. Spelling, yeah, can't find a pen. I'm sorry, because I won't be able to step. Yeah, I got a pen. So, if you think, let me just get something. Why I need to demonstrate. No, not that. Should I? Hold on, YouTube, bear with me. Everything is falling from my life. Okay, I got it. Okay, I'm just gonna get back here. Right, so you see this shady piece of glass. It's not glass, bro. So I got my pen here. Ready? Right, so sorry. So, I'm afraid I won't be able to demonstrate decimals. Maybe I can, maybe I can't. I will need a plain piece of paper, which I've got here. Yay, I can demonstrate it, which I love doing. Favorite thing ever. Right, I've got a piece of paper. So I've got this. Okay, I've got some thing, which is one of my IT papers. Who cares? Because it's from year 3. So we already know 6.6 plus 6.6 equals 13.2. So you already know that. So I will leave a mystery question for you to answer. So how about 6 ain't nothing plus 46.82. 1, 2. So 82.1, no. So 46.8212. 6.2, add that, let's just box that up. So we're partitioning here. We are not partitioning correctly. Bye. So, you're meant to partition by. Anyway. You know, decimals is complicated with thousands. Okay, let's just carry on with decimals. So, let me get my phone here. Get on the calculator so I can show you a bit. I didn't really understand it that much because my teacher teaches little bits of decimals, so I'm barely learning anything in the top of my head. So what we want 46. So I've had 46. Did you see 46 points? It was 8212. There you go, that's what we want. 46.82.8212, right? Then we plus, add it, 300.400, which is 647.612. There you go. So that's it. We have that. Well, there's another one I want to show you. Another partition, which is really complicated. So we've got 8212 add 4212. It's exactly the same, but minus the half of the 8. Divide the 8 by 2. So here's my paper in that box. I know this is paper, but I'm going to do it in here. So we want 8,000. So we got 8,000. Right? Plus 200 plus 10 plus 2. Then we got the 4,000. So we're adding. So 4,000 add 200 plus 10 plus 2. Right? Then we underline it. So it looks like that. Right? Then what we want to do, it's exactly the same. So add 2 together, which is 4. So you got 4 plus 10 and 10, 20 plus 200 and 200, 400. And then 800 and 400, 1200. So that equals 1200 plus 1200. So we have 1200. Now hold on, this is hard for me to do. So we have 1600 plus 20 plus 4, which that makes altogether 1624. So really, that is kind of complicated to do. But I can obviously do, which is kind of complicated. So I don't understand why it is complicated doing it. So let me see. Right, forget a piece of paper. Right, I'll do some. Right, I've got this piece of paper to do it on. So, what was the question? In fact, I'll make another and make one up. So, 46,000, right? So 46,000 plus 400,000. Also, yeah, 400,000. So, first what you want to do, 46 is turned to 40,000. So you got 40,000 plus 6,000 plus nothing. Nothing, right? So it'll look like that. Next, we have 400,000. So 400,000, the number, the main number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then we want to go plus. This is confusing me. Really confusing me. There's a plus. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2 plus 1. Okay, and you still don't. Why? I hate this. Right, then we underline and then do it. Then we add them all up together. So 40,600 and nothing, which is nothing. So we want 40,000 add 400,000. So that's hard. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get my BD, my BlackBerry calculator, clear. I'm just doing the 400,000 week. Nah, I know it now. Okay, screw it. Where's my pen gone? So it's 440,000. So 440,000 where you cross out the zeros and put 6. Put that there, the 6 by the 4, so 446,000 446,000. So this is hard, really, to me. And then 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, right, this is what it will look like. It looks messy because it's complicated. So, I'm sorry to make it kind of messy. I'll do it exactly how it's meant to be done. If we can get a long piece of paper, then that'll be helpful. Right, we've got a long piece of paper. Great! Right, okay. Where? Oh, the good dear! You're not sick of that paper, are you? No, I'm not. Can I eat the paper? Yes, I am. So, I've got a big piece of paper here. I don't care if it's for writing. And yet, that was from year 3, but it's spare. So we want 46,000 plus 4600. 1000 in fact. Equals, you don't know yet, because we haven't even partitioned it. So, you need 4000. So it's 4000 plus 600 plus nothing plus nothing. Okay? So 4000 plus 600 plus 00 plus 0. Then 46,000 is hard. A lot harder. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So whoops. I shouldn't have put a comma there. It's meant to be there. This is really gonna be messy. I am sorry, but there it is. Okay, so we've done it. This is gonna be on for a long. This has gone on for 16 minutes. Okay, so plus 6,000. Let me just get a 6 in. 6,000. Let me just do that there. Okay, 6,000 plus 0 plus 0. Right? Underline them. Then 4 and 4, 8. So, then that 0 plus 0 plus 6 0 0 plus. You just got the 4,000 and 400,000. No, 40,000. No, is it 400? No, 40,000. So, okay, so got 8,000. So it's going to be 80,000. So 80,000 plus 6,600 plus 0 plus 0, right? So, we know what that means. We know the answer. So, answer is 80,000 8 0 6 6 0 0 0 0 0. So that's quite a big number. 80,000 6,000. So that's a million, billion, trillion, million. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over 1 million. No, yeah. So 80 million 6,600. Yeah, that's what it is. So 8 0 0 0 0 0 plus 6 0 0 0 plus 6 0 0 plus 0 0 plus 0. So that is how it's meant to be set out by partitioning. Really, it's quite a lot of thinking to do, but you'll get there eventually. So So you'll eventually get there. Ow! Stop whining. Little babies and get to work. So, this is hard math really. I think that's what my teacher was teaching us. Yeah. If it was, who's gonna get payback? Time I was not using a calculator. And everybody knows that. Well, I'm sorry about us just doing crappy numbers. I'm sorry about decimals. Get on to it. We're going to do exactly the same part, but decimals. So it's a lot much harder. And you'll do a lot more thinking, because I'm in year 4. And I know a lot, and I'm clever. I just mess around in school, and actually I'm not clever, but I am. How do I do all them questions then? On my own with no calculator. I was using a calculator so at the beginning, so you know what decimals mean. Well, there is no meaning for decimals. No meaning. But so instead it's just hundreds, tens, and units. So instead of hundreds, tens, and units, there are, so the first is a unit, there is a decimal point, which is just a little dot, which you call it a point, so 4 points, so that's your units, the 4 is, then your decimal point is a P, it's just a DP. That's what decimal point means for short. So then you've got your decimal points, your 0, which is your tenths, T-E-N-T-H-S, tenths. So that's your 10. So I'll just write that. So tenths, T-E-N-T-H-S. Then your other 0, which is your hundredths. So H-U-N-D-R, E-T-H-S. Hundredths. Which, if you cross out the S, is 100. Add in the S, it's 100ths. But if it's just a 0, it's 100. 100. So hundredths, so I would just say hundredths, so that's easier. So if you want to add decimal points, you want to know more about decimal points. So because decimal points are the key things about decimals. So you have 4.00, right? Plus 4.57, right? It's not going to change the units. It'll be completely different. It's not going to be something 8.57. Well, in your case, you'll say, if you do not know about decimals, in your case, you'll say 4.57. And that's not correct. Not correct. As you can see, I'll get another piece of paper. Guys, this is going to be complicated for me to explain, but for you, maybe it is, maybe it's not. So you have your units, your decimal points, and your tenths and hundredths. So you have them, but nothing different. You might just say 4, which is not. It's 4.00. In your case, you might say 4.00, which it isn't. It's 4.00. So, stop complaining that it is 4.00, because it isn't. I know a lot about decimals, and I'm in year 4. My teacher's barely teaching me anything about decimals, and I'm barely learning. I'm just sitting up there looking at the sky. Too bad. You got your units, your tenths, and your hundredths. Whoops. So you got your hundredths, tenths, and units. Right? It's not hundreds, tenths, and units. Units, tenths, and hundredths. So, I'll put in the description how you spell them things, which you might not understand what I'm saying. So, decimals are hard to add. Trust me. How does that work? Sure we can. So, you have your hundreds, tenths, and units, right? Then suddenly, there's S. Then suddenly it turns to 400, so it's units, tenths, and hundreds. Well, we changed that by killing it. Do you know what I mean by killing it? Me neither. Obviously I do. This is what I mean. You have this. Oh, my eyes are watering. Oh well. So you have this. I need some glasses. So you have this, right? And you put a circle around it, then a cross. I just see with one of them I did. If you can't see. Don't know if you can. There you go. That's what I mean. That's what I mean by killing it. Do what? Looking up in the sky. That's what I bet all of you are doing at school. Looking up in the sky. Oh, there's a roof, so how can I look out the window? I'm not blind or dumb. Oh, okay. Maybe I am not. Maybe I am. Really? Good for you! So let's just get back on. So, I guess I'm crying. No, I really feel like I'm crying. Chinese, Japanese, no. Chinese, Japanese, German, big boobs. Whatever! Right, so let's just get on to decimals, goddammit. Right. I'm just gonna stop being stupid. Well, get back on it! Right, we're back on the sheets. That one. That one. So, we're back on the sheets. And what the answer really is, I'm not telling you. Because you don't understand just yet. So, as if you had an iPod, right? Then you suddenly unlock it. And suddenly you go onto calculator. If I can find my calculator. So you go on calculator, then be a douche. Ooh! There's an N plus, N minus. Do you even know what they mean? Me neither. Hill activity! Sure. Right. You can have brackets in numbers. No, you can't. Okay, forget it. So suddenly, you be a douche, go 7.72, right? Then add, so add 7.00. Okay, I'm teaching you bullcrap here. Okay, maybe I'm teaching you bullcrap. Maybe I'm the teacher on YouTube. Maybe. Maybe no, maybe yes. So, you're thinking that 4.00 plus 4.57 is 8.57. Are you correct? Or are you not? I'm not telling you. I'm going to write the answer down. Hold on. I'm going to write the answer down. So you do not know. I'm gonna. If you think it's something different than 8.57, you're wrong. If you think it's 8.57, correct. Because I know decimals. So, poison. I'm not really poisoned. Okay, let's get back on decimals. I might just went through 5. Well, what I want to do? What do you want to do? I want to learn. Which I poked you in the face. Hey, I'm gonna learn. I want to teach you lots about things. You want to purchase a decimal? Write video. Don't mean a joke. Not write video. Because in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, video is gonna end. Do you think it's true? Do you think it's not? Put in the comments if you think it is. So obviously you know because I just ended the video just in 5, 4, 3,